I thought I'd bring a new dimension to my car videos this year, and that's a drone. I got one for Christmas, thank you daughter and son-in-law, and I'll be using it where I can at car shows. I've been practicing with it, and I had to get an FAA license and register my drone, but all that's taken care of. So when I can, I'll be including drone footage in my videos. I thought I'd include a little bit today. In this video, I haven't made a video in a while. And it's not the best footage. I'm just playing around with it to see what the camera looks like and the quality. But I thought I'd let you see what the drone can do. If I haven't said already, please subscribe and like the channel. Thanks a lot. I tried a fancy shot of launching my drone from my cup holders through the sunroof of my car. I actually got it up and flying, but I crashed it when I landed it, so I won't be doing the landings in there, but it was kind of fun to do. I noticed that there was some wind, a breeze that my drone could not make headway against. I consider that unsafe if I can't have the drone move where I want it to. So in order to know what those limits are of my tiny little drone, I bought an anemometer. That's what this is. It's a wind speed indicator. And so far I've been pleased with it. About 20 bucks on Amazon. And it measures the wind speed and lets me know. So about 5 miles an hour of wind, and I won't be flying my drone because it's not powerful enough to make headway. But this is what I use. I found a park to test my drone today, and I thought I would give it a try and see if it's suitable for my videos. I think it will be great, and I'll be taking it with me to all the car shows I go to. Let me see if I can get it set up and give it a try.